Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about the inverse function. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that the domain of function that is about the range of inverse function. And the next one, the range of function that is about the domain of inverse function. So we need to use this way to find the range and the domain of inverse function. The first thing, we need to analyze the domain and the range of the function. So about domain, if we use about vertical line to test about the domain in here, so we can see that they reach the boy from number 4 to number 12. So that means from here to here. That is about the domain. So the domain of the function in here, that should be about from number 4 to number 12. So we apply the formula in here. So domain of function that is about the range of inverse function. And this is about the answer. Now let's go to horizontal line to test about the range. So we can see that the function goes here to number 3 on from 0 to number 3 in here. We can see that they go to 0 to 3. So the range of the function that is about from 0 to number 3. So the domain of inverse function that should be about from 0 to number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.